Hey guys, welcome back to Sonia's She Shed Sensation. It was so funny. I was still in the process of getting my phone in the tripod when it started on me. Oh gosh, that's too funny. Anyway, come on into and welcome to Sonia's She Shed Sensations. My name is Sonia. I hope to inspire you to find your creative side while on a budget. So come on in, friends. I'm trying to get this off of my Kindle Fire. I'll get it in a minute. Get it in a minute. All right. I got to bring up. Don't want that. Do you want this? I'm still trying to learn this thing, y'all. How in the world did I get it to be where I want it to be? Okay. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go with tonight's craft. Get it going. Even though it wasn't quite, I needed like 30 more seconds at least. I'm not seeing any comments whatsoever. There we go. Hey, Mary. Hey, Susan. Hello, friends. Hello. Yay. I'm seeing some up there. Okay. Thank you, William.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't even know she came in here.
Okay. Thank you, William. Okay.
And sometimes I roll on the floor.
I know. Sometimes you do roll on the floor, William. He's so funny. He's like, that's just how I roll. And sometimes I just roll on the floor. Post. Okay. I've got it up, y'all. Hello, Lizette. Hey, Penny. Welcome, friends. Hello, Miss Tracy Campbell. Hello, June and Mary and Michelle and Lisa. Tele Together Crafting. Welcome on in. I can't see them very well, but anyway. I'm going to swipe this again, see if it helps me. Hey, Patty. Hey, Carla. Tele Together Crafting by Brenda. Hello, Linda. All right, hopefully it'll start on there. Okay, so let me show you what I have. So I was like, I thought I didn't go until, I knew I didn't go until 8:15, but for some reason this evening, this late afternoon, I thought 8:45. At 8 o'clock, actually it was 7:59. I was like, oh yeah, it's 8:15. I better hurry. Hey Beth, welcome. Hello. William's doing good, Lisa. Thanks for asking. Okay, so I have this calendar that my mom was tossing. It's a 2022 calendar. And it has some really pretty bird prints in it. And I want to use this one. It's so pretty. Thanks for saying hi to William. Hey, Miss Sue. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the calendar. There we go. And then I can save this for, oh, that's pretty too. Isn't that pretty? It has some beautiful. Oh, wait, hang on. Which one do I want to do now? I didn't look at that one. Hang on a minute. I might change my mind about which one I want to do. I just changed my mind. I'm going to do this one. They're all pretty. Oh my gosh. And look at the hummingbird on that one, y'all. They're all beautiful. They are all so beautiful. I'm going to go with my first choice, though. But I've got more things I can do. So, more things. See, it's all stuck. That's really pretty. Thank you, Laura. Hey, Laura. You like the first one, Mary? I think we're going to go with the first one. I do have this right here. But it looks like the back should pop off, but I don't think it really does. I don't even know where it came from. But it's almost like a metal stencil stuck inside that says Cuddle Weather. And hey, Sharon. Hey, Angela. I'm going to see if I can get this to come out. We're going to see. If not, I will come up with something. I don't know what yet. I'm hoping this will come out. I hope. If not, I'm going to have to put something inside of it. or use a different surface. Let's see. Let me get my needle nose pliers out. Because surely, the way they have it fixed like a stencil, surely it's made to come out of here. I don't know. I just grabbed all this stuff really quick. You do the same. Pretty pictures from calendar. Yes. Yes. The first one. Yes. It's a good, I mean, it's a good way to come up with stuff. The only problem is I can't seem to get up underneath. And I was searching for a good, this may not, I don't think this is made to come out, y'all. Doggone it. Doggone it. I really wanted this too. I liked the round of it. I wonder if I could do the back side. No, that wouldn't look right. Okay. The only other surfaces, doggone it. If I had a piece of cardboard or foam, I don't think I have any foam. I don't think I have anything to lay in there. I could use this though. I could use this surface or this one. This one is going to be, hey Debbie, how are you? Hey Mary. Yeah, it won't let me do that. I'll try it. I can't even get between this metal thing and the wood. Yeah, that's not helping. But it was a nice try, right? Yeah, it's not budging. It's not budging. Okay, it's okay. It just wasn't meant to be. It's all right. It's all right. I tried cutting there around the edge. It didn't work. I don't know why. Comments have stopped. Hey, Linda Wells, thank you so much for the stars. Hey, Patty, I'm hoping it'll start flowing now, but we shall see. We shall see. I could do this. I don't necessarily always like doing this because it tends to, I don't really like cutting into the, let me see what other surfaces I have. Y'all, I need surfaces really, 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 really bad. Just saying. I am very lacking in surfaces. This one. What would I do to the top? I'm looking over there at some ribbon that I have to see what I might do. Let's just see what we see, friends. All right, let's take this off. So I'm going to use this surface. This was a, it was from Christmas time. It says, all hearts come home for Christmas. Has a little wreath thing on it. We're going to take that off. And get all that glue off of it. Make it look like top of the birdhouse. Yes. Hello, Dwight. Hello. All right. So let me sand this down a little bit here. It does have a lot of glitter on it. sorry. I'm shaking, y'all. Hey, Connie. Happy Tuesday night. Right here is where I took that little wreath off. It's not, that's smoother. Smoother-ish. Smoother-ish. What are you guys doing on a Tuesday night? Is anybody else tired of rain? Wow. Give us another month or so. We're going to be wishing we had the rain again. Let me get this sawdust off of here. I'll turn this over and use the other side. Okay. So, let's go ahead and paint this white. And all of my paintbrushes are in the kitchen. That's right. Now, if I'm wanting it to... Hello, Bell's Creative Studios. Sandy, yes, you're so tired of rain. I know, girl. Same here. We're not supposed to get rain tomorrow. But we've been having rain every day. So, but we're not supposed to have it tomorrow. It's coming back on Thursday. And then this weekend is supposed to be beautiful here in my part of Arkansas. So, I hope it really is. What I was going to say is if you are needing to really cover a surface really, really well, if you were to cover this surface right here, it's going to take several coats of paint on it. But if you use a sponge and kind of dab it in, I'm supposed to show you, it usually works into it a little bit better, and you can use less layers. Hey, Cousin Amanda. Hey, Sheila. Lorraine, this 60-degree weather. It's bad in Georgia. I want to concentrate on my yard. Oh, goodness. Well, I don't mind the 60-degree weather because, y'all, the triple digits are coming. They're coming. So, you had rained in North Carolina. Hey, Susan Hicks. Oh, Sheila, I'm glad you love watching me. Okay, so we're going to put some paint on here. If I can get it to come out. Oh, yeah, this is the one that's kind of clogged. Concrete. Oh, gotcha. Hello, Gail. Okay. So what I'm going to do, instead of just like painting like just like this, I'm going to take it and I'm going to do a dabbing motion. And we're going to dab it on. Just a little dab-a-doo-ya. And we've got a little chimney up here and everything. Oh my. I wasn't even paying attention to the chimney. I guess it's going to be a birdhouse with a chimney, y'all. I wasn't planning on making this into a birdhouse, but I couldn't find another surface. I'm still looking all around. Something that I might could use. It's been raining Kentucky off and on, and you're getting sick of it too. Bless your heart. We've had a lot of it, that's for sure. But I don't want to complain because I know what's coming ahead for the summertime. It's a coming. It's all a coming. The triple digits will be here before we know it. And then we're going to be wishing we had rain. How many of you guys are all your kids out of school now? Are all the kids out of school where y'all are at? My granddaughters are out of school. They were out. Last week was their last week. So I should be getting them some this summer. I know they wanted to come over the weekend last weekend, but I had things going on. So I wasn't able to do that. But hopefully they'll be able to come soon and spend some time with Gammy. Usually the first part of the summer, they'll come more often because their other Mimi works until like the middle of July. But then once she's out, they go and spend time with her. So we have to share. We'll have to share, y'all. Not until mid-June. Oh, my goodness. Mary, where do you live that the kids are not out until June? I know when I was in high school, I graduated on June 9th. It was ridiculous. But the seniors got out a couple of weeks early, so it's not like I went to school then, but the rest of the school did. But I also think we had some snow days that year that had to be made up at the end of the year. So that was probably part of it. Because I don't know why they don't figure in enough school snow days here. I remember one year in school. Hey, Kingdom Acres. Not until June, Lisa. Yes, Angela. I remember one year, it was my first year to live in Fort Smith, Arkansas, my 9th grade year. And we had a lot of snow and ice and stuff that year. And they made us go to school on Saturdays. There were 2 Saturdays in a row they wanted us to go to school. I thought they were stinking crazy. It's like, well, when I lived in Oklahoma, we didn't have to go to school on Saturday. That was kind of my attitude about the whole thing. Yeah. I'm not sure if I want this to have the textured look or not. Is that part right there? I'm going to have to do something else with. Let me try this some. Kids here don't go out to mid-June. That's so crazy. Different areas may finish earlier. Yeah, they do. Hello, Kelly Wooden. Hello. Not until June in New Jersey. Wow. I'm still looking around, wishing I had another surface. I really wanted that round one, y'all. I just think it would have looked really good, that round one. Just trying to see if I had a piece of cardboard. I'm getting a piece of cardboard. Hang on. I want the round. I'm going to cut up a box real quick. Oh, wait. I've got this. I could use this. Here we go. I really wanted the round, and I'm not going to be happy till I get the round. So, goodbye. Adios. You know, things change. Okay, so this was left from a box for like gifts. I actually kept it for journaling after Christmas. We're going to use it right now on here. So, grab a pen. Do you go back to school? They go back to school in, I don't know the exact date. It'll be in August sometime. Usually the 2nd week of August. really need, I'm going to go ahead and cut it to this size right here, knowing that I can cut it down to make it fit the inlay, to make it fit inside. And my pan cool, y'all. Hey, Wilda. All right. I'm cutting inside the line quite a bit. This is improv crafting. Improv. Okay, how much more do we cut it down? Quite a bit. Almost perfect. Almost. That's what we were doing. Yay! That's what we were doing today. Hello, friends. Did I get that plugged in? I sure did. Yep, it's getting hot. All right. So, there's more than one way to do this, right? I think what I want to do first, I'm going to go ahead and paint the yellow. I'm going to paint, what color do I want to paint that? Do I want it to be pink or yellow? You know what? I'm not going to paint it. I'm not going to paint it. I think I'm going to leave the wood as is. We're going to put some glue. We're going to glue this down. Michigan in the house. Woohoo. Glad you found cardboard. Me too, Laura, because, you know, when you get a craft in your mind and then sometimes changing it in the middle is okay. And sometimes it is just irritating. Why didn't I Mod Podge this onto the cardboard before I put this in here? Why? Why, Sonia? Why? I don't know why. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to kind of go around with my fingernail a little bit and give it a crease of about where to cut this. Because we're making this bird. I got to be careful, though. My fingernails will actually cut the paper. So I got to be careful. Okay. Now then, we can cut it. My new granddaughter, what? Just turned 6 weeks old. Oh, Linda, that's awesome. Oh, how sweet. How sweet. Enjoy every precious moment you can. They grow so fast. So fast. I'll tell you, when I see Elizabeth and Jay turning certain ages, I'm happy that they're growing up into the wonderful young ladies they are becoming and still growing and learning. But boy, I still long for those days of when they were little and could cuddle and all the things. All the things. All right. There we go. Oh, that's going to be so pretty, y'all. It's going to be really pretty. Let me see if I need to. I don't think I need to paint the cardboard either. You gotta be careful with these calendar pages. I look at them at different areas of the light because some calendar pages, like the really thin ones from Dollar Tree especially, you can see the backing through the front. And so you've got to be really careful with those. But this one doesn't appear to be doing that. I am so thirsty, y'all. I think I've used this water for something else. Hey, William?
Yeah?
Will you please bring me a cold water?
Where?
Out of the fridge. Pretty please.
Where?
Will you please bring me a cold water out of the fridge?
Oh, I thought freezer.
I don't have one in the freezer right now. My Mod Podge is missing. And I know I haven't moved it off this table. Wow. Wow, really? There it is. Whoop, there it is. Thank you, son. I appreciate you very much.
Man, I'm old.
You went the other way with your son. Aw, cool. Hello, Alita. Hello, Tina. Oh, that's awesome. Congratulations on your weight loss. I'm happy for you. We weighed William today, and he'll probably tell you tomorrow during Wacky Wednesday with William what's going on with him. That's his story to tell, not mine. Oh. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put some Mod Podge on here. I thought this little piece of cardboard would really soak in the Mod Podge more than it is, but it's really not. Interesting. Very interesting. All right, I am going to go ahead and dry this. Got a piece of material ready. Figure out where my material is. I had purple out the other day. I'll just have to open up some. I have to open up some material. Now comments aren't scrolling over here either. That is just wild. I hope you guys are still here. Hey, Becky. I don't know how long ago that was that you came on, but hello. Hey, Amanda. Hey, girl, hey. Sorry. I can't see everyone all the time. I'm so sorry. Hey, girl, hey. I see you laughing and crying at the same time. Oh, it's finally scrolling for me. Maybe you were my good luck charm, Amanda. Maybe. All right. So now we're going to put this in here. I'm going to iron it. It's still here. I'm so glad. Thank you for telling me. I'm going to have to open up the material because I keep forgetting the parchment paper in here. Forget. Hello, Anita. had this apparently for a while. That was hard to come off. Okay. And I'm just using this as a buffer. Just any type of material as a buffer. That's actually really pretty material. I may be using this material tomorrow on mine and Williams Crafts. All right. So I'm just going to iron this in here, this print. I want to make sure. She's who was doing the same thing. Oh yeah, Lizette. It's wild. It is wild. Well, I got a notice today when I was on YouTube saying that YouTube had recently had an outage and wanted to know if I would be willing to be a consumer tester when things like this happened to help them fix errors and stuff. And I put no. But boy, I wish Facebook would ask me that. That'd be a yes. I want to help. Oh, didn't get it all over here. Hang on. Didn't get it good down here. I may have to put more Mod Podge on those areas. No, that's much more better than good. Okay, awesome possum. Let me get ready to show you guys what we're looking at right now. Oh, isn't it going to be pretty, y'all? Hey, Lori. Thank you, Nita. I think that's going to be so stinking pretty. Okay. While I'm waiting for my glue tool to heat up, I'm going to get everything out that we're needing. I was going to go around the inside of this with some twine. And also, I have, let's see if I can move this. Actually, that's in the picture. I have these that were in the picture. Some of these. See? We have these. You love that? Thank you. So we're going to use some of that. And get the clippers. I don't think I'm going to use a bow of any kind, just because I don't think it's needed. Okay, I just thought that would be really pretty. We may put those down here. It's a little long. I could put those right here. Maybe. I may want to reposition the greenery. Flowers. A little bit of pink, but got my fingernail, y'all. I add a little pink to it with this and this. Okay. All right. Let's get this going here. I know I'm getting low on time soon. Got 9 minutes. Oh, yeah. I get to take up to an hour now. I forgot all about that. Oh, y'all. I keep forgetting that. We can take 45 minutes to an hour now. I definitely cut my nails. It's okay. I'm fixing to cut all my nails down tonight anyway. Well, tonight or tomorrow. Soon. But it's already catching on stuff, so. All right. There we go. Very pretty. Thank you, Beth. Looks pretty so far, June says. Thank you. All right. I'm going to start it down here. Get another glue stick. Thank you, friends. So what did you guys do for Memorial Weekend? Anybody do anything fun? William and I just stayed home. We went to church Sunday morning, and that was all we did. Now, the Old Fort Days Rodeo, it always starts on Memorial Day with a parade. The parade was canceled due to the rain, but they still had the rodeo last night because it's a semi-indoor arena. It's covered. It's outside, but it's covered arena. And William and I both would love to go to the rodeo this week, but parking is so horrible there. Plus, I don't really know when we would go because tomorrow night's church. Thursday night is my private group. Friday night is my private group. And Saturday night is my auction. And then it'll be over. So it's like, unless I'm moving my auction to a different time. I don't know. Because people would like to go. And we do like going to the last night of a rodeo because that's when all the bull riding is. The final of everything is on the last night. Hey, Diane, you went camping, Linda? Did you get rained out? Or did all go well? I hope all went well for you. I hope. All right. Looks pretty good. Go Thursday night, Laura says. Oh, that's great. All right, so here it is with the, it's just real subtle, but it's there. It's really subtle. Okay. That back up, I think. Okay, now to see how we want to place some flowers. Because I'm going with the colors that are in the picture right here. You're very tired of the rain, Nita? I know, me too, girlfriend. I'm so thirsty, y'all. I don't know why I'm so thirsty. All I've had today is salad, so I don't know why I'm thirsty. William had his physical therapy appointment today, and I vote that you go, and I'm sure everyone will agree. Best let's go Thursday night. We can do group next week. Oh, gosh. We'll talk about it. Anyway, he had his physical therapy appointment today. And he came, last Thursday and today both, I stayed in my vehicle because I didn't feel good. Didn't feel like getting out and going in. So I called them ahead of time to let them know he's coming in. And so they're looking for him and everything. And meds make you thirsty. That's true, Lizette. It's great. Thank you, Della. And when he came out, he was so stinking excited, you guys. He was so excited. I'm like, okay, what's going on? He got to see his uncle was in there. My brother was in there for his. And William just thought that was the coolest thing ever. But he got to see Uncle David, too. I'm going to use a little bit of this twine, and I'm going to wrap these together before I glue it on. Because I think that would be the easiest thing to do to get them to stick together. So let me get them how I want them, I think. Again, I'm not wanting to take away from the picture. So I want to make sure I get this down here. Let's put a little bit over here on this side. So I'm going to wrap these. We're going to wrap. We're going to do a little wrapping, y'all. Thank you, friends. Well, whoopsies. That one just flat fell out of there, didn't it? There was a fly on my shoulder. It's driving me crazy. Okay. So anyway, he was excited, and we've got the old Fort Days Rodeo going on in Fort Smith, but I don't know. I told William that we might drive by there Wednesday night after church and just see how bad parking's going to be. Because if we go, we're going to go really early because this girl's got to have a close parking spot. And I don't mind paying for good parking if I don't have to walk a long ways. So we'll see. We'll probably drive by there after church tomorrow night because it'll be going on tomorrow night. All right, let's see here. Which way? Yeah, this way. Oh, I cut where I wrapped it, y'all. It's okay. I will glue it. It'll be fine. I'll have some fun. Well, William, I had posted a picture the other day. William found that cowboy hat at the Dollar Tree, and I got it for him because he really wanted it. But I found their cowboy hats that we bought last year. I think we got them at Walmart. I love mine. And today I found the matching bandana that I had bought too. I've had the matching bandana for a long time because it matched my cowboy boots. So it's the hat, the bandana, all the things. I think I'm going to put that right there. I just don't know what I'll put in the middle to cover up this twine. Thank you, Virginia, for spreading out the butterflies. I appreciate that. Let me show you guys where we are right now on this. Oh, it's looking so cute. I'm thinking about, I could either put some leaves here. Gotta cut this plastic piece out. That's so pretty. Thank you. All from a calendar page, y'all. Does need a little green in it though. Green there. Maybe a little green. Maybe over here. Okay, so if these are folding up on you, You can put a little bit of heat to them and open them back up. Did you see that? Just put a little heat on them, open them back up. So if you see florals in the store and they're all smushed up and looking nasty and they're on sale, go ahead and get them on sale because you can always change the way they look. Always, always. Put a button or add some greenery, Lisa says. I'm thinking about, I haven't decided yet. But I know that that needed a little bit of greenery with it. That little bit of greenery helps, just a little bit. Do you love it, Glenda? Thank you. So, I also have I'm not sure about that. Let me look at it with you guys. Does bring out the green and the white in here. Not sure. Not sure, not sure, not sure. That might would be cute. Might maybe. You love the way it is. Leave it the way it is. Yeah, but that big blob of twine in the middle doesn't look good. Oh, I had a little piece of something that might would look good there, but I'm not sure what I did with it. If I don't like this, I can use this ribbon on something else. It's not a big deal. Do you get a green gem or dazzled? Yes, I could do that. I was thinking about putting, I gotta flip the bow, but this gives you an idea. Definitely gotta work on the bow, fluffing it up. But that would put green on there. Deeper green or another pink flower. I have plenty of pink flowers. That might be a good idea. Just put some more pink flowers on there. Good evening. No, Lisa, I don't use their products anymore. Can't use the products of a company I cannot and will not support. But that's a good idea. That was a good idea. Thank you. That turned out cute. There we go. There we go. Yes, thank you all for being here. If you guys are new to Sonia's She Shares Sensations, I hope that you will like, follow, turn on your notifications, subscribe, all the good things in all the wonderful areas. And I think that turned out cute. So we took a calendar page from 2022. This is 2025. And we gave it new life because it was going for the trash. And it turned out so stinking cute. Thank you guys for being here. Oh, I don't think I want to put any ribbon on it. Let me get the glue strings off. There's a little bit of glue strings up here. Cute, pretty. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Mary. Thank you. Hey, Goldie. I didn't see you were on, friend. Hello. Thank you, Glenda. Thank you, friends. Thank you. William and I will be on tomorrow for Wacky Wednesday with William. William has found a craft that he really, really wants to do. He's excited about it. So y'all come and check that out. He will also be auctioning off his craft tomorrow as well. He has some things he needs money for. That he needs new PS4 game controllers, and so he's got to raise the money for it. I've already ordered it, but he's got to pay me for it before I give it to him. So he's the one that uses them. He's the one that abuses them. So he needs to pay for it. Maybe he'll take better care of it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. God bless you all. Y'all have a wonderful night. I will be back on my normal 10:30 p.m. tomorrow night after church. So I'll see y'all soon. Thank you, friends. God bless you. Bye, friends.